Hi, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can open an app on your computer or laptop. If this video helps, please like and subscribe to this channel. Alright, so if you're on your computer, whether it is on Windows 10 or Windows 11 and you wish to open any app or program, it's pretty simple. Just follow these steps. First, identify the program or the app that you wish to open. For my case, I have here Google Chrome and I'll wish to open it. There are two ways you can achieve this. First, move your cursor over to the app like this, and then just right click on your mouse or the touchpad, and you can see if you right click on it, we have now this option to open. Choose the first option for open, and by selecting it, your program or your app will be opened. As you can see here, I have several accounts on my Google Chrome browser, so I'll go to the one that I want to use, and now using the left side of the mouse, just click on it once or tap on it using the left side of the touchpad on your laptop to open the program. So that is one way. Now in the second method, instead of right clicking on it, just hover the mouse over it like this, and using the left side of your clickable touchpad, just double click on it or double click on the right side of your mouse consecutively. So if you click on it twice like that using the left side, now the program or the app will open. Then left click on any of the account that you wish to open once and it will be opened. So that applies for the programs. What about files? So I have here several files and you can see they are available here. For instance, I want to open this file for video. To open it, just follow also the same process. You can either right click on the file like that and tap on open, and the file will be opened. Alternatively, you can also left click on it twice and it will be opened. So that's how you can open apps on your computer or laptop using these simple steps. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.